kumhlobo wami uJesu phionga ngaye la abaningi ba yamshiya mina ngohlubukana mina angisoze ngahlukana angisoze ake sisho sonke kusani nangithanda kangaka nangithanda kangaka njalo sothandana naye njalo sothandana naye khona lana khona ngale khona lana khona le khona lana khona le yangisoze ngahlukana angisoze ngahlukana nangithanda kangaka njalo sothandana naye khona lana khona ngale khona lana khona le khona lana khona le sishakagcina yangisoze ngahlukana angisoze ngahlukana nangithanda njengoJesu Chalo, 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 chalo. Sothandana naye, sothandana naye, khona lana khona le, khona lana khona le, khona lana khona le. Sengihlala phansi bazalwane, sengihlala phansi, ukuthi ngibone MC usemeduze kwami. There's a song ebivuka enhlizweni yami yesterday kusukela izolo anuswazi ukuyihlabelele so isho nje afishana uma singazi ngizohlala phansi ayikho inkinga egameni ngaJesu. He's not a man that he should lie. 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 His promises are yes and amen. He's not a man. He's not a man that he are his promises. Oh yes and amen. He's not a man. Basi ngathi siyayisheshisa kancane. Sithaka yena umuntu kuba ngaqamba amanga webazalwane. Lokho akuthembisa kona. Uzokufeza. Sho. Athasu. Aybo. Oh, he's not a man. Oh, that he should lie. He's not a man. Oh, his promises. Ah, yes and amen. He's not a man. I saw Mesulu esamega waphetha amandla nje so are his promises. Ah, yes and amen. He's not a man. He's not a man. So. Listen, so. Oh, yeah. Ah, he's not a man. That is all cry. He's not.